Supporters of Julian Assange erupt in cheers as Judge Vanessa Baritzer handed down her ruling rejecting the United States request to extradite him, citing concerns over his mental health.
She refused extradition at the last moment, in the last words of her judgment, because she accepted that Julian Assange was a suicide risk and that if he was put under special administrative measures in the United States prison system, that would be an oppressive act. And on that basis, she refused extradition.
The ruling follows over a decade of international legal controversies surrounding the WikiLeaks founder. The Trump administration wants him to face charges of espionage over the publishing of hundreds of thousands of leaked American military documents a decade ago. In one of them, a U.S. helicopter pilot can be seen shooting dead Iraqi civilians in 2007. The U.S. charges brought against Assange carry a maximum sentence of 175 years in prison. Washington considers Assange an individual who has put lives at risk, possibly endangering informants and sources by leaking classified information. But to his supporters and rights groups, Assange is a flag bearer for freedom of the press. The Australian has spent most of the last decade trying to avoid extradition. From 2012 to 2019, he holed up in Ecuador's embassy in London to escape an extradition request from Sweden over allegations of sexual assault in an investigation that has since been dropped. Upon his eviction from the embassy in April 2019, he was arrested by British police and imprisoned for jumping bail. He's been in custody since then. The U.S. government says it will appeal Monday's decision. Assange's lawyers say they will request that he be released on bail pending that appeal.